Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. Today we are going to have a look at the Timex Ironman Triathlon. This is the ladies version, a very nice and useful Timex sports watch that has a bunch of useful features, especially if you are into running, because you can easily use the lap function in order to see your time for each lap. It has multiple features, so as you can see we have 10 lap, also start and split. It also has a very big digital display where you can see the time and also the date. You also have the classic Timex Indiglo function that is very useful in case you run at night, so you can actually illuminate the display. This is very useful and has a water resistance of 100 meters, so you can easily use it in case you run in the rain and so on. So it was actually made for triathlon runners who also have to swim and so on. So this is a very cool piece. As you can see, we have two buttons on the right, two on the left, and one in the middle. It is very easy to use. You can press the mode button in order to use the chrono function, the timer, and also the alarm. Then you can go back to the time. If you want to set something, you can press and hold the set button, and you are going to be able to set, let's say, the hour, the minutes, the seconds, then the day of the week, the day of the month, and the month as well. And then you can also switch between a 12-hour display and the 24-hour display. Maybe you want to have the date and month, or the month and date when you see the date, so you can select that as well. You can also set on and off the chime and the beep in case you do not like those, or in case you want to use these on a regular basis. So guys, in case you are a runner, if you are into sports, if you go to the gym and you want a reliable watch, make sure to check out the Timex Ironman Triathlon, because this is one of the best-selling watches out there made by Timex. So definitely make sure to grab it on Amazon. Also guys, if you are into vintage watches, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, link in the description box below. We have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including maybe around 1000 vintage Timex watches, so make sure to check them out. In case you own this particular model, I have a full guide on how to set the time, the date, how to use the alarm function, the chrono function, the timer, and so on. So in case you want to learn everything that you need to know about your Timex Ironman Triathlon, make sure to check that video as well. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. And in case you found this video useful guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you are into watches, vintage watches, and watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel guys. Once again, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you on the next video.